Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the Bluetooth radio on your Windows 10 PC. Open Start, go to Settings Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure the toggle is set to on, because without that the PC can't see anything. At the same time, place the device you want to pair into its pairing mode. This is why you should watch for an LED or audio cue. Once done, Windows will be able to search, so keep both devices close and powered. Now you add the device. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, then choose Bluetooth. You'll see a list of discoverable devices. Select the correct name because multiple items can appear. If Windows asks for a PIN, confirm the number on both devices or enter the code shown. This prevents accidental pairing. Once paired, Windows will install any basic drivers automatically, so make sure you wait for the connected message before testing audio or data transfer. This ensures a stable link. Finish by testing the Bluetooth link. Play sound, send a file, or use the device as intended. This verifies functionality. If things go wrong, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, and restart both devices because many glitches clear with a reboot. If problems persist, open Device Manager to update or reinstall the Bluetooth driver, or remove the device and repair it. Doing so resolves mismatched settings. One key tip: keep devices within a few meters and away from Wi-Fi routers during pairing to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.